Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have come up with two courses on data side. One is like SQL coding challenge bootcamp, and that having 50 challenges to solve, and that has 2 hours content on here. Next we have advanced Python automation for Excel and accounting, where it will have 6 hours on demand video where you will be learning more about Python, how you're going to automate Excel for your accounting jobs. Next we have Python for AI and machine learning from beginner to pro. That includes 5 and 5 hours on demand video where you will be getting one article, 37 downloadable resources. Next, we have Mid Journey for beginners creating visuals using AI. That's a role play and premium course. And that includes 4.5 hours course where you will be getting role play assignments and one article. Next, we have automated machine learning for beginners, Google and Apple, where you will be learning more about NLP, tabular data, computer vision, auto ML, and Apple Create ML, and etc., which includes 3 hours on demand video, includes assignments, 58 articles, and 29 downloadable resources. All right. So, next we have Python mobile application development, build 8 plus mobile application, which includes 6 hours on demand video. Certificate of completion is always there if you are completing any of the course. Next, we have mastering HTML5 in 2025 from beginner to advanced, which includes 6 hours course time, one downloadable resources. Next, we have Python developer masterclass, build 6 websites. It includes 6 hours on demand video and full lifetime access with certificate of completion once completed. Next, we have mastering C Sharp, learn building games, applications, softwares. That includes 6.5 hours course time. Next, we have Pizza e-commerce in Python Django 5 from scratch store 2025. That includes 8.5 hours course time, two downloadable resources. Next, we have programming bootcamp with Python, JavaScript, PHP, MySQL, and that's a premium course, includes 15.5 hours course time. Next, we have Python Django full stack development, build modern web app, that includes 5.5 hours on demand video, and that's a free course for you. Project based Python create 8 powerful tools step by step, 5 hours on demand video, and that's free for you. Next, we have Python programming build and deploy your own application, 3.5 hours on demand video. Next, we have Django Essentials build and deploy real world applications that includes 3 hours on demand video. Next, we have web design course for beginners to intermediate that includes HTML, CSS, WordPress so that you can get started with web design. That includes 6 hours on demand video with two articles. Next, we have practical HTML, CSS, JS, and 10 real world projects for practice that include 5 hours on demand video, one article, three downloadable resources. Next, we have learn JavaScript by creating 10 practical projects that include 6 hours on demand video, one article, two downloadable resources. Next, we have hands-on JavaScript crafting 10 projects from scratch, where you will be getting 5 hours on demand video, one article, two downloadable resources. If you want to know more about Android, here we will have mostly Android courses from now. That is Android project course, build 3 applications from scratch, include 5.5 hours course. Build a quiz app with Java on Android Studio beginner course that includes again 5.5 hours course. Android very basic app development course with Java in Hindi that includes 6 hours on demand video. Android apps development in Hindi and built-in applications, 40 hours on demand video. Master Android by building 3 applications in Kotlin language that includes 2.5 hours video. Android course build 3 applications from scratch with Java that includes 2.5 hours on demand video. Master Android application build 3 applications from scratch that includes 2.5 hours course. Next, we have Android apps development masterclass build 2 apps on Java that includes 8 hours on demand video. Next, we have Python for scientific research that includes 4.5 hours on demand video. Then we have programming for scientific research with Python and R that includes 5 hours on demand video. Next, we have 20 web projects, build 20 HTML, CSS, and JavaScript projects. That includes 10.5 hours course. Next, we have master JavaScript, HTML, and CSS with 30 projects in 30 days. That's a premium course for free, and that includes 18.5 hours course. Next, we have build 20 JavaScript projects in 20 days with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. That includes 7 hours on demand video and 21 downloadable resources. Next, we have JavaScript 20 projects in 20 days, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. That includes 8.5 hours on demand video. Next, we have JavaScript projects course, build 20 projects in 20 days. That includes 13.5 hours video. Then we have Java 10 projects in 10 days course for beginners. That includes 6 hours on demand video. Next, we have computer engineering mastery from beginner to expert, where you will be learning computer engineering from beginning to advanced, and that includes 46 course time, includes 25 downloadable resources, and that's a role play course for you. Next, we have Google Analytics for fundamentals, where you will be learning more about Google Analytics for includes 6.5 hours course time. Next, we have Microsoft Office and Google Workspace Masterclass, where you will be learning Google Workspace, including Microsoft Office, with 8 hours on-demand video. Microsoft Office with AI, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, ChatGPT, Gemini, includes 9.5 hours course time. Microsoft Office with Canva, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Canva all in one, where it will be getting 9.5 hours course time for you. Next, we have Microsoft Azure Administrator Complete course, which is AZ104 the exam code. It's a premium course, and that's a free for you, 47.5 hours course time. I hope you will be learning more about Azure over here. And next, we have Terraform for beginners, where you will be hands-on with AWS Infra Automation, where it includes 3.5 hours course time. So here it ends today's video. So hope you have liked the video. If you have liked my video, so please like my channel video and subscribe to my channel yet if yet not subscribed. And I generally come up with free Udemy courses on daily basis and free certification alerts, free educational alerts, and etc. So hope you to see on the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next video. Thanks so much.